He's not waiting. Okay, yeah. Must be in the SWAT. Whoa, oh my.
I wish I could have got an
He's
up of you
flying.
coming down in slow motion.
I was terrified.
There was enough video for that,
Jesus,
though.
come on. Let go. I go, no, I'm just going to enjoy the view.
I thought I'd need a little slack.
That was too easy for you. You flew right down here.
That shit is
Oh,
scary.
hold on.
That's why I said, I was like, that was a scary, that's scarier than the 800 feet or whatever it was. You know, you saved for last.
Oh my gosh.
Just leave your mouth.
I thought I was a pro before this.
Oh, here, let's loosen it up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, uh-huh.
That was a good time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
the
was
little
dope. Yeah, the
flip
spin,
is a
the
great
spin-a-rooney.
I like it. It makes it sound a little less terrifying.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do the spin wheel.
Blake, you going? Grandson ready. Sound like
Yeah. It's good.
Still, they're just going around is like.
I know, yeah. It's crazy.
I didn't realize, like, you know, when you're holding it, I thought it was gonna be like drop,
Yeah.
but then I felt like, oh, okay, this isn't as bad as I thought.
Yes, of course. Here, pose by the road. Victory pose, yeah. Gotta look real hard. 1, 2, 3. Trees.
Trees.
Thought she was gonna move the rope in your face. All right, wait. One more. All right, hardcore pose. 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, trees. Ooh,
It's going up.
I'm gonna mess with you two in dark alley. All right, there you go.
I feel like I shouldn't.
I've been laughing so much with my jaw hurts. Gotta call in sick tonight.
Yes. Hey, go with me. Blaze on. Transfer ready. Still going to work tonight?
No, I'm calling in.
Oh, okay.
I'm still
I hurt
recording.
myself laughing.
Just tell them I hurt myself ziplining. They don't need to know.
That is, you know what? That is a good. I'm not lying. I'm not hurt, but inside I was hurt. My pride was hurt a little bit with that face I made. No toughness over here.
Oh,
You know
man.
what? The thing is, down here, was it just me that was down here? I was gonna say we didn't see you. I think it was just me, so I didn't see you.
Oh.
I love the guy on the trolley running into the tree. Did you see that? On this side here. Just running into the tree. Isn't that awesome?
He's like running into. Whoa, hey there.
No.
It just makes me laugh.
See that?
For somebody else that.
Do this. Yes.
Oh, hell no.
It's like, who was that? Tom Cruise? Didn't he do a zip line and slammed into a wall or something?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
They probably didn't.
No, he didn't. He didn't know what he was doing. He was like going freestyle, no hands, slamming into a wall.
I think I was the
broke his
bad one.
face. Yeah, I think
That was
Your
the worst
face.
face. Team, we suck.
We did it though.
Blake, he's on. Grandson ready.
Got a picture of the man hitting the tree.
That's how it looks from down here, huh? Okay.
shooting your best angles, you know.
Uh-huh. Can you take a picture of her?
Oh yeah. Maybe now.
Yeah.
Don't go too fast. We gotta snap a photo. Butt shot. Smile.
Looks like you're hanging from a tree. Oh wait, yeah, that's why. I got it.
Are you stopping her?
It's the other one.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
I was just realizing, it's like, oh, she's got the camera.
Liz on. Just ready. Oh, look at that. What a show off. You doing crazy legs?
James Bond.
Oh my god.
So first.
Anyone want to hit him with a stick?
Do not let that rope.
Want to get him back for anything he did to you on a tour today? Ooh, double repel.
He just seems to be hanging out here.
My noise. I work out.
Zip lining.
Where'd your boyfriend go? Why isn't he pulling your rope for you?
Hey, he was nice enough. He is off work and he came and helped us.
Yeah, he wants to keep you as a girlfriend.
All right, so we brought him all back.
Off suspension, Alexis.
Yeah, all right. So this is the dangerous part. We are now walking. You're not hooked in. Be careful. If you roll down the hill, you will fall, okay?
Give me a high five.
Hold on to the railing if you don't want to roll.
Turkey. Hold on.
You did a
What,
turkey?
let's see.
You did good for being scared of heights.
I know, that's why the last, you know I have to crawl to like the side of a building. Oh, it's still, I'm not over it.
My bad.